My name is Captain Cassandra. We're going to be making a one-stop trip down to the landing at Disney Springs this evening. The landing dock by Paradiso 37 is a boat. You can pick a Saratoga or Treehouse boat back up to this evening. They run from now until 11:30. The other docks do open at 10 a.m. and close at 11 p.m. So, welcome to Disney Springs, everybody. Off to the right-hand side of the boat, we do have the west side dock. There you can find the House of Blues, Disney Quest, Cirque du Soleil. Straight ahead, we have the Boathouse, Paradiso 37, the World of Disney, T-Rex, the Lego Store, known as the landing dock. Off to the left-hand side of the boat, we have the Marketplace dock. There you can find Rainforest Cafe, Girardelli Guest Relations, and the buses that run till 2 a.m. We do have water taxis that stay on the lake and go to the 3 docks, or you can go either way and walk. It is about 5 minutes. Welcome to Disney Springs, everybody. As we do get ready to dock, so please remember to keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat, and please remain seated until I give an all clear sign. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
So we've got Cirque du Soleil, House of Blues, Disney Quest is back behind that, which is the Mass Arcade. It's been an amazing day. It's probably been the nicest day since we've been here. Super sunny. They predicted rain and lightning. It was supposed to be an awful day, and instead it was just beautiful. This is another new restaurant. I haven't even tried it, so I don't know how it is, but it looks like they're setting up to have live music. Right there, there's a guy with a guitar, which is pretty sweet. So you can catch a boat from Disney Springs over to Saratoga. And no, you do not have to be a Disney Vacation member to stay there. You can either rent points or do an exchange like we did, or you can just book it by the night. And a lot of people don't know that. They think they have to be a Disney Vacation Club member to stay there, but you don't. So anyway, here we are. That's it. Thanks for joining me.